Hey everyone, welcome back to Master None Garage. I'm Andrew, and we're working on the crew cab Caprice today. We're so close to putting it on the ground, but today I'm going to be cutting off the flange on the inside of this wheel well and then bringing this back an inch. That's about an inch, right? Anyways, let's get on to it.
Come on.
Yeah.
All right, so first things first, I'm gonna do this in 2 days. For you guys, it's gonna be one video. It is raining for the next 2 days. Right now, I'm going to be cutting out this flange on the inside of here. And then I'll be able to figure out where the fender needs to be brought back. So once we cut that flange off, we'll know how far in this has to move. So I'm going to get to that right now. All right, I cut the flanges off. Went very smoothly. Here is the driver's side, and I went ahead and did the passenger side. There's the passenger side. So that's what it looks like now. No flange. It looks really clean. I like it. Yeah, so I cleaned off the edge of the metal so there's no metal particles gonna splinter me or anything. But I've run out of time for today. For you guys, it'll be a few seconds. It'll be a snap of a finger. For me, it'll be a whole 24 hours till I'll be able to come back here. I gotta go run errands. Also, I got a birthday party for my niece, and yeah, so this is past Andrew, handing it over to future Andrew. Hey, future Andrew here, and I just aired up all the tires. Gotta take out all that stuff from underneath the car, and then we'll put this thing on the ground, and I'll be able to know exactly where these fenders need to come in. It's really windy today. Yeah, so I'm going to clear out the stuff from underneath and put the sucker on the ground, and then we can do some adjustments. Next week probably won't have a video, maybe. I'll leave it up to you guys. You want me to film me moving this thing to my place of employment? Got permission, and I'll be able to work on it over there, do the fuel system over there on Saturdays. So yeah, let me know in the comments. Comment about it. Yeah, so let's get on with it right now. Hey guys, inside the car, but we rolled it back, and it's amazing, and I want to show you guys. So behold. Oh, it's so good. Look how good it is. Oh! Isn't it awesome? It's amazing. One would say it's amazing and glorious and all that junk. Turns out this fender is pretty close. So my plan is on this fender, I'm going to keep it the way it is for now. I'm going to tow this to where there's a lift. I'm going to take this fender off and I'm going to bend it more on this body line. So this will go back in. We'll close up this gap because we don't really need all this space up here. The tire, the top of the tire is probably right about here. So we're going to do that in a later episode. I might even do it off screen, but I'm going to leave you guys with a couple of shots like I do. But that's the end of this episode. It's finally on the ground, widened. It's the world's first 67 four-door hardtop B-body, wide body. That's a mouthful. If you like today's video, please like, share, and subscribe. And definitely leave a comment. Always leave comments. Leave multiple comments. Like, you should have left 2 comments, I believe, already. Maybe 3. So leave a 4th comment. Yeah. So probably be a couple weeks before I upload again. Really busy. Let me know in the comments if you want me to film towing this over to where I work. Yeah. We're on to the fuel system, which it's going to be really, really simple. I'm just going to hook up the old system to the fuel cell, put a fuel pump in the fuel cell, maybe 2, probably just 1. And then once we do some engine work to it, we'll upgrade the fuel system. But yeah, I'm so happy right now. Anyways, see you in the next one. Remember, at 1 million subscribers, I'm going to build a killdozer.